Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday the 31st of October 2017. So yesterday in the pound we did get a signal, but unfortunately it wasn't filled because the market traded sideways thereafter, but then eventually moved higher and traded up to the 132 level there, and has been sideways at this level on the overnight market and is trying to move higher at the moment. Got a few economic news items out today. As you can see here, we've got I'll do it this way so it's a bit more clearer. The usual CPI flash, CPI flash estimates, prelim flash. A lot of flashing going on today for news, employment cost index, and then over to the US for just the one major impact economic news item. We've got Chicago PMI, which is medium, and then at 2 p.m, which would normally be 3, except for this week, CB consumer confidence is out at 2 p.m. now. In the daily chart of the pound, you can see the market moving back towards the upside, stuck in this channel still between the two 76% retracements. However, if you look closely, just draw this in for you, we've got a high off here down to this low, and you'll see that the market's got to take out this new one here at 132.28 in order to move higher. So we'll see what news today, how it affects prices, whether they can move higher or not through this resistance level. And in the Dow for yesterday, well, as I keep saying, stand aside. The market started off moving to the upside, as you'll see here, then came back again, and then sold off. And they sold off obviously because of the Russian investigation in the US. A couple of them have been charged. I don't know if they are. I've not really paid much attention, but that was the reason for why the market dropped yesterday. And then we got back into this sideways move that is still dominating this market at the moment. How much longer it does continue this way, who knows? But that's what's the odd bit of news, and the market drops and then they bring it back. So don't be surprised to see the market move back to the upside, as we see in the daily chart here. The market sideways, and we still got this a sort of triangular shape thing going on. It'll need to come back through here in order to move higher. But we've got Yellen speaking tomorrow. The release of the FOMC minutes, I don't think she actually speaks tomorrow. That's the December meeting. So that should boost the market. But today is Tuesday. The market's fairly quiet, unless of course we get more on the Russiagate or whatever it's called, where they're trying to pin something on Trump in this investigation. Whether they do or not, who knows? But it'll be something like that sends the market moving lower once they can sort of try and impeach him again, and all that sort of nonsense that we had last year when they tried to do the very same. We just have to wait and see. But that's the picture. It's just very quiet, and it doesn't help the fact that we've got the FOMC minutes tomorrow. No surprises there, a forecast, but you never know with this lot that they're in charge. Right, let's have a quick look at the implied volatility before we conclude. And in the implied volatility, we see the market moving higher from 933 to 1020, which you'd expect with the Russian investigation that's going on at the moment. And 933 to 1020 is what you'd expect, because the market moved lower on, the news of the two being charged in the investigation. I think one's Mueller, I can't remember the name of the other, but that's what it's all about at the moment. All eyes are focused on that. If they can, I said before earlier, if they can pin something on Trump, then you'll see some real volatility coming into the market, but you just have to wait and see. Right, that's it for this one. Short, brief, to the point, but there's nothing we can do about the way the market's playing at the moment. It is what it is, and we'll just have to bide our time and live with it. That'll do it for this one. I'll report in if there's anything to report in about. Other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.